Welcome. Here, we will be creating product pages for the website that we have just set up using the Odoo ERP. In this lesson, we will be creating a product, and then we will also be adding variations to that product. So let's go ahead and get started setting up our new product. Our shoe business is taking shape online. We've created the homepage, and now we need to have our first product uploaded to our website. To create our first product, click the plus new button at the top right of the screen. Then click new product. Under new product, we will be giving the product a name. Product name, Pleasant Shoe. We'll click continue, and we'll be taken to a page displaying the product image, name of the product, price, and short description. We will be downloading an image once again from Pexels. And we will pick one of these shoes. We will take this and download it to our download directory. Once the image is downloaded, we go back to the product page that we're creating, double click or double tap on the image icon on the page, upload the image we just downloaded from our website or from our folder of product images, and optimize, and our product image is on the website. Take note that you pick high resolution images so that the product is as attractive as possible when visitors come to your website to view these products. The experience of users on website interfaces is always a unique one because they are not physically present to handle the products. So they require a lot more convincing with imagery and content, and where possible, you can also add video of the product in use. Next, we will be fixing a price for these shoes. This platform is multi-currency enabled, so you will be able to change your currency to match your region's official currency. I'll simply be staying with the default currency of dollars and setting it to $31. In the brief description, I'll be typing out the description of the shoe. And if I want to modify the 30-day money-back guarantee to match the country, or to simply change it to a 50-day guarantee or a 20-day guarantee, that can be done by simply tapping into the text while you're in edit mode and making the adjustments to the content. Once you've set your product image, price, and brief description, you can save the product page. Once the product page is saved and you're happy with the fact that you've displayed it satisfactorily, you have to publish the page. You do that by moving to the top admin bar at the top of the page and tapping on the label that says unpublished. When you tap it, the switch changes to published. If you don't do this, your product page will not be visible to the rest of the world, only to you, the administrator of the website. Now you can share your product with everyone else in the world, and they will be able to come to your website, view it, and make a purchase. One of the things that makes this tool stand out is the promote button at the top left of the screen. Under the promote button, you have optimize SEO and track this page. When we go into the optimize SEO segment, it allows you make changes to the the product page title, the description, and it allows you to make changes to keywords. You can use long tail keywords. You can also use short keywords. Carefully optimize your page's SEO. Make sure that the right image shows. It has a social media preview that shows you what the page will look like when shared on social media. And it also shows you what the title would look like and what the description would look like. You can make all the adjustments you need in order to make this sell your product as efficiently as possible on social media and on Google search. Once you're done editing all of these, you save the form, and we will move on to tracking this page. This feature is one of my favorite because with this, it is possible to create unique tracking URLs for each page on your website or each product on your website, so that when that page is shared on social media or directly to your contacts, and they click those unique links, you can track where the visitor came from and the success rate of your campaigns. Once a visitor follows the unique link that has been created in this segment, they are tracked by the software up until the point where they make a purchase. So the profitability of your campaigns can easily be tracked using the UTMs generated from this section. Simply choose a campaign, a medium, and campaign source. Then get tracked link. Once you've created your tracked link, you can copy the tracked link and then share it using a Facebook ad campaign, a post on Facebook, or any other means of sharing the link. The link can even be embedded in blog posts created on your website, showcasing or advertising this new product that you have just created. That way, you can tell whether the new sales that you got came from the blog posts that you sent out to your customers. Now, we will be examining how to create an alternative product. Many shoes come in different shapes, sizes, colors, and so on. These are called variants or variations. We will be creating variations of this shoe, and we will be picking the color variation and the size variation. We will create two variations or two variants of each attribute. We will create two colors and two size types. We do this by clicking on the arrow beside the edit button at the top right of the screen, and it pops out a menu that says edit in backend. Once we're in backend mode, you should see the variants tab active within the backend product editor. If you don't see the variants tab enabled, it can be enabled by going up to the settings section, and within the settings section, you can look for the products section within settings and select variants. Once you've made changes to that, save and return to the product page, the product backend editor. So we're at the product backend editor and we want to create variants of this product. We'll go to the variants tab, click edit, and then create new attributes. We will be creating new sizes, and we would add a small size and a medium size. We will also be creating a color attribute, and from within the color attribute, we would have the blue and the black values of this attribute. Once these have been created, we can save the product, and now we can see within the top section of the product back-end editor that we have 4 variants of this product. Sometimes certain colors or sizes may be priced differently from others. To do that, we go to the Configure Variants link in the top area of the backend editor. Then we pick the color the attribute that should cost more. In this case, we will take the black color and we will give it an extra value of $5. So if anyone picks the black color of this product, they would have to pay an extra $5 for that product variation or variant. So we have created the additional variants. Let's see how it works on the front end. To move from the back end editor to the front end, click Go to Website. Now, on the website, we can see the changes that we have made to the variants. We have the color and we have the sizes. We can pick a different color, and you see that when we pick the blue color, the price stays at $31, but when we pick the black, it adds the additional $5 increase to the price. This doesn't happen for the size variant. So now we have created our products. We have created variations of our product. So now we will be going to the next lesson, which covers payment integration, to allow visitors to our website make payment for our new products and have those payments transferred to our bank account.